Manure and fertilizers. Hello students, in this video you will learn about manure and fertilizers. We know that for the growth of plants, nutrients play an important role right from the germination of seeds. And all these necessary nutrients are obtained from the soil. When farmers grow the same crop every year, it results in the loss of nutrients from the soil. How do you think these nutrients in the soil are replenished? Let us find out. In the previous class, we learned that decomposers such as bacteria and fungi act on the bodies of dead plants, animals, and animal waste. They break down the remains into nutrients that are taken up by plants for growth and nutrition. Another way in which soil is replenished in the field is by manually adding nutrients. But if nutrients are replenished naturally, then why do we need to do it manually? Farmers manually replenish the soil because the rate at which nutrients are used up is faster than the rate of natural replenishment. Farmers generally use two methods to replenish the nutrients in the soil. That is, addition of manure and addition of fertilizer. Let's see what manure is and how its addition helps the field. Manure is formed by the decomposition of plant parts and animal waste. So we can say manure is an organic substance made using decomposed plant parts and animal waste. The dark organic compound formed by the decomposition of parts is called humus. When manure is added to the soil, it adds humus to the soil. This increases the soil fertility and texture. Compost is an example of manure. Now let's see what fertilizer is and how its addition helps the field. Unlike manure, which is an organic substance, a fertilizer is a chemical substance made in factories using inorganic salts. Fertilizer is rich in nutrients like nitrogen and potassium that are essential for the plants. Do you think they cause soil pollution? Fertilizer is a chemical substance. Using too much fertilizers in the soil alters the nature of the soil, and this leads to soil pollution. When these fertilizers are washed away with the water, they pollute the water bodies near the farm. Urea, NPK, and potash are some examples of fertilizers. Now, let's summarize. Manure is an organic mixture of rotten plant and animal wastes. It adds humus to the soil. It improves soil fertility and texture. Example, compost. A fertilizer is an inorganic salt prepared in factories. It is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen and potassium that are required by the plants. It causes soil and water pollution. Examples, urea, NPK, and potash.